The primary financial goal of a corporation is to maximize shareholder wealth, which is represented by the market value of the firm's shares. This goal aligns the interests of the shareholders with the management's decision-making. Secondary goals include ensuring sustainable growth, managing risks, and maintaining ethical practices, all contributing to the long-term success of the corporation. Shareholder wealth maximization is achieved by increasing the market value of the firm, which depends on future cash flows and the associated risks. Unlike profit maximization, which focuses on short-term gains, wealth maximization considers the timing and risk of returns, emphasizing sustainable growth and long-term profitability. Several factors influence shareholder wealth, including revenue growth, cost management, investment decisions, and financial policies. Revenue growth involves expanding sales and market share, while cost management focuses on controlling expenses. Investment decisions require allocating capital to projects with a positive net present value, NPV, and financial policies aim to optimize the capital structure through effective debt and equity management. Ethical considerations play a crucial role in achieving the financial goal of a corporation. Corporate social responsibility, CSR, involves engaging in practices that benefit society, while sustainability focuses on long-term environmental and social impacts. Balancing the interests of various stakeholders, including shareholders, employees, customers, and the community, is essential for maintaining a positive corporate reputation and ensuring long-term success. The primary financial goal of a corporation is to maximize shareholder wealth, considering the timing and risk of returns. Key factors influencing this goal include revenue growth, cost management, investment decisions, and financial policies. Ethical considerations, such as corporate social responsibility, sustainability, and balancing stakeholder interests, are vital for achieving long-term success and maintaining a positive corporate image.